Safety should be the utmost priority anytime tires are inflated. How to prevent accidents when inflating tires, next. Your equipment is the backbone of your shop, giving your technicians the muscle to work more efficiently and effectively. However, before using any equipment, safety should always be a first priority, especially when inflating tires. The U.S. Department of Labor has safety protocols in place through OSHA Standard number 1910.177 to help keep repair shops and tire dealerships safe. Beyond requiring training all employees who service rim wheels in the hazards involved in servicing them and the proper safety procedures to be followed, the employer must furnish a restraining device for inflating tires, such as the Tire Inflation Safety Cage from Martin's Industries. The restraining device provided by the employer must conform to a number of criteria within the OSHA standard, such as 1. Each restraining device must be designed to withstand the force of impact of a tire exploding while being inflated. The standard stipulates that this capacity must correspond to 150% of the maximum tire specification pressure for the type of rim wheel being serviced. For example, in the case of a rim wheel with a maximum air pressure of 130 psi, the inflation cage or barrier must be able to withstand an explosion of 195 psi to be in conformance with the regulation. 2. In addition, the restraining device must be capable of preventing rim wheel components from being thrown outside or beyond it. 3. The restraining device must be visually inspected prior to each day's use and after any incident, such as the separation of rim wheel components or the sudden release of contained air. Now here are some tips to ensure the safe operation of your Martin's Tire Inflation Safety Cage. The cage must not be attached to the ground unless otherwise indicated by the manufacturer. Use a clip-on air chuck with an air hose extension supplied with a control valve and a manometer. A remote control is suggested. The worker should be alone and attentive to unusual noises and concentrate on the behavior of the tire within the cage. The worker must wear safety glasses, gloves, and boots. The ground nearby should be clear of any obstacles. The cage should have 36 inches of clearance around it, and when it is used, the operator must stay at least 10 feet in the working area of the cage. Adhering to these tips will ensure the safe operation of your restraining device when inflating tires. Thank you for watching.